Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2015 Kenworth T680 tractor, 655,000 kilometers and 9,682 engine hours on its Cummins ISX engine, 485 horsepower, 1800 torque. It has a Jake brake and full lockers, 13-speed Eaton transmission Ultra Shift FO 16E31A, front axle rating 12,000 pounds and spring suspension, rear axle rating 40,000 pounds on Packer air ride suspension, axle model DSH 40P, ratio 3.70, rubber all the way around, 11R 22.5, aluminum rims all the way around inside and out, wheelbase 234 inches, dual fuel tanks, both 120 gallon, and a 72-inch double sleeper. CVI is valid till February of 2018. The unit is used for light loads from BC throughout the states, eastern and western, usually loads lighter than 40,000 pounds. We're going to do a general walk around of the unit, then come up close for a tighter inspection. We're going to go inside the cab and under the hood. You can see it's a bright white color. The unit's been very well maintained, no accidents, no damages. And it's clean inside and out. We have very bright sun today. It may affect the video and some of the photos. And we're just going to walk around here to the front of the unit, and we're going to get a little closer. And let's get a little tighter in the unit here. Pardon my shadow in here, but the grille looks in good shape. I'm not seeing any damages or dents at all. And the hood looks good here on the passenger side. Steps up to the cab look good as well. And let's take a look at the sleeper. We're just going to follow the fairings along here, and that looks good as well. Access is nice and level. I'm just going to hop up on here and give you a view from the back. I'm just going to step back here between axles 2 and 3. We come up right between here to the suspension. And again, I'll follow the axles here as far as I can take you. Fifth wheel is greased and ready to go. I'm going to do the same thing here on the driver's side. Just come up between the axles. All the hookups look in order. And steps to the access are good here too. I'm going to follow the fairing along. I'm not seeing any cracks in here. Sleeper is good. Hood and cab look good. Steps nice and level. Let's take a look inside the unit. Upholstery is original in good condition. Let's take a look here. That's the Ultra Shift. I'm going to come up to the panel. And let's take a look here in the sleeper. Lots of storage, a lot of height. And very clean, great shape. Let's start up the unit, take a look under the hood. Nice clean start. There you have it, another good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. 604-996-5159. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.